Where'd the Cheerio go? Where'd it go? Uh-oh, where'd it go? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Huh? Where's the Cheerio? It's on your head. How'd it get there? There's a Cheerio on your head. I think you put it there. Yeah, you're so silly. Where's the Cheerio? Uh-oh. Putting cheese on your head? Uh-oh. Yum. Where'd the noodle go? Oh, the noodle got eaten because you like the noodle so much. No noodles going on the head because you like them too much. What about Cheerio? Will those go on the head? Where's the Cheerio? Uh-oh, where'd it go? Oh, it's on your head.